Assalamualaikum. Today we're gonna do color pencil techniques. All you need is 12 boxes and size 4 times 4 cm. First is light pressure. You should not apply or press your color pencil too much. Second is heavy pressure. This technique you must press your pencil and then make sure you cover all area. Third is gradate. Gradate is you color from dark to light, right? So you color in lighter first and then coming on to making it darker and darker, and then as it moves towards the right it becomes lighter. Next is scumbling. Scumbling is all the circles. Same thing like gradate, you make it from dark to light. And then it's hatching. Hatching are all the lines, right? So I'm making layers now by putting the lines on top of each other. Then comes cross-hatching. Cross-hatching is you just making an X on top of the hatching. Right now it's layering. Right, then comes layering. This technique I am layering it with different colors. Right, you see the top one I'm using some other green, and then on the right I'm using blue, and then now I'm using light blue. Now I'm using orange, then lastly I'm using yellow. Right, so these are layering of different colors. Next I'm doing gradate. On top we just did gradate with one color, but this time I'm adding white. See the difference? Alright, so it's kind of make the area matte. And now I'm doing gradate with black. Right, so on the left you make the gradate darker, becoming lighter, and then the black comes in from the right side. Now I'm doing blending. Right, I'm starting with yellow on the dark, making it darker on the right, becoming lighter towards the center, and then I'm blending also with orange, and then I'm using a Q-tip to blend the colors. This is another technique of layering. I'm just using the same tones. On top the colors were different. It was blue, it was green, it was orange, it was yellow. Now I'm just working with the same tone. I'm starting with very light yellow, and then slowly building it up with orange, a second tone of orange, and then lighter brown, and then going towards the darker brown. Alright, so this is another type of layering using the same tone. This will be useful if you're doing a skin color, for flowers. Right, slowly becoming darker and darker. Lastly is I'm using water to dissolve the paint. Alright, so here I'm using blue from the left and purple on the right, blending technique, and I am using water to blend it. To use color pencil, you must make sure the tip of your color pencil is sharpened and it's sharp, and you must use the side of the color pencil. You must hold it at the side so you can cover a large area. If you were holding it from top, you won't be able to cover a large area. Alright, always make sure you lay a very light foundation of your color pencil before you start to apply a second layer of a darker color. When it comes to color pencil or watercolor, you must lay with a lighter area or lighter pressure color, and then slowly build it with a darker color. Now I'm applying another tone of blue. Right, now I'm applying pressure and slowly lifting off the pressure from the pencil. Here I'm showing an example. I'm holding the pencil on top. Alright, it's not from the side. This is from the side, so I can cover a lot of area. Right, but if you're using from the top, it won't work.